My name's Steve Nichols, and I've had a career in Formula One design for 20 years in the 80s and the 90s. Well, I think you need to pursue an education in all the technical disciplines, all of that technical sort of thing that you would get with, say, a mechanical engineering degree, but also including aerospace sort of stuff, aerodynamics. I actually think that's very important. Some of the best engineers that I knew had courses and spent time in workshops and learned welding and machining and all of those sort of things as well. So I think that sort of education is very important. Yeah, it's very important to understand all the mechanical aspects. You need to integrate the engine into the whole car design. There's a huge amount of electronics that go into the car. Lots to learn and lots to incorporate and integrate. If you're going to succeed in motorsport at a very high level, Formula One being the peak, it takes a lot of dedication. You probably have to start at a lower level. So I think some good practical experience is very useful, really. And you, like I say, you probably have to start at a lower level and try to work yourself up through the ranks effectively. I think, as you can see here, there's good hands-on experience. Your hands on the actual equipment, seeing the results of this design in the flesh, as it were, it helps a lot, I think.